Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use PowerShell to download Australian public holidays from this website, manipulate them and save them into XML and JSON file respectively. So on this government website, you can download previous year's public holidays via these links, or you can download the current year public holidays in a CSV file format. Once you download it, it looks like this. You have 5 columns. You have the day column and holiday names and more information, or you can go over to this website to check out more information for these holidays. And you have the jurisdiction for each day as well, so you can filter them based on this jurisdiction. For example, today I'm going to filter them by Victoria, so we're only interested in the Australian holidays. Victorian holidays. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So before we go over to our PowerShell screen, we want to get the content of the JSON content, and we have the information there, which is the CSV file. We want to get this link and download that in our PowerShell and manipulate it later on. Okay, let's go over our PowerShell. We have the link pasted there, so we just need to get the content of the JSON page. Now we want to pass the content and find out the current year download link for the CSV file. So we want the current year, get the current year and save it into variable, and then now we can start passing the content and find out what we want. So that's done, and we save the link into this matches array, and you can see there, and then we also save the resource ID into another array as well, so we can use it later on, but we're not going to do anything with this resource ID. All we're interested is just the CSV content. So we have the link. We're going to download the CSV file and save it into this location. So before we do that, we want to actually pass the content and we want to replace the column holiday name and into holiday name. Basically, we'll just remove the space in between. Okay, let's do it. Now we have the CSV file, and then we can import it into a CSV. We can import the CSV content into a variable and manipulate them. So in this case, we want is the Victorian holiday as we speak earlier. So we also just want the day and holiday and jurisdiction column. We don't want the other 2 columns as shown in the CSV file. Right, let's get the file and save it into a variable. Now you can manipulate it if you want, but in this quick demo, we just need to export them into XML and JSON file respectively. So all we need to do is convert that via these 2 commands and save them into those files. Let's do it. Now it's done. Let's check out the file and the size of those files. As you can see, that's the very small file. And let's open them and see what's in them. All right, the XML file, as you can see, we have already renamed the holiday name and have the space removed. And in the JSON format, you probably noticed it looks a little bit different from the XML, but that's normal. When you actually import that into a script, it will automatically convert that into a single row. So that's not a problem here. If you know JSON, you will know this. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe, and thanks for watching and see you next time. Thank you, bye.